Okay. Okay, buddy. You can do this. I believe in you. I believe. Ha. That's pretty good. Okay. So I woke up and decided today that I am going to start doing a bunch of stuff, apparently. I feel like I've become really practiced at like procrastinating. I don't know how else to describe it. Like 3 P's, right? Perfectionism, procrastinating, and like excessive planning has really, and really the thing behind all of that is my fear. I guess I've just convinced myself that the reason why I've survived this long is because I've been so cautious and because I've been so avoidant of things, and not because I'm strong. This whole thing that I've done, I've been like really protective of myself lately, and it's not been useful for me anymore, because protecting myself only has allowed me to stay alive. It hasn't allowed me to really live. I need to remind myself that I'm strong enough to take risks and strong enough to like do things. And so now that's what today is about. Today is about just doing it. So I've already started because I got dressed today and I'm cute. So there's that. I've already started with that. Trying to get dressed today was a freaking nightmare. So I think it's time to actually organize my closet, and I would like to do that today. It feels crazy to even say, but I think it's what needs to happen. So that's what we're gonna do. I can close the door. Okay, I can kind of close the door. Here's a sweatshirt that I love. That's like on top of some shoes. This is ridiculous. Okay. Oh God. Okay, that thing was keeping the door from opening. Oh God. Oh God. Okay, don't hurt yourself, Amina. Don't hurt yourself. Hold that thing right. Okay. Okay, see? Door can kind of go all the way now. Except for this fanny pack. Oh my God. Fanny pack. It goes with my outfit, kind of. Okay. That's enough of that. What's the plan here, man? Ooh, okay. We're about to have like a clothes slide. So this is like really, I think like I should start here. I'm gonna back out so you can see what I mean. Because I can't really truly, like, oh God, what is that? Okay, that's for later. Oh, I dropped something. This is insane. Okay. Oh, Amina, what is happening? You see? You go there. Okay. Okay, so, as I was saying, please excuse my camera work. Okie dokie. So, you see, like, where you're supposed to be able to get to hangers and things like that? Can't really do that because the floor is covered in clothes. I think it could be fun. I think it's going to be fun. It can be fun. It'll be fun. Yeah. Winging it right now today feels like less pressure than I normally put on myself. That's the thing. The fun thing about like winging it and just seeing what you can accomplish and all that, and just kind of making up your assessing the situation and responding to it, and making your plans that way. It's fun because it is like, it's just more fun. It just feels like an experiment. Now, I can only wing it with myself. If it's like plans, like for example, oh, someone wants to hang out or something, I need to know everything that's going to happen. Or the person just really needs to have a lot of my trust. Yeah. Is my hair still cute? I don't even know. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. Since I like, my favorite thing is folding t-shirts. And I have a lot of t-shirts, and there's a lot of t-shirts spread throughout. I'm just gonna like fold all the t-shirts. That's gonna be that's something tangible that I can accomplish today, and the next time I'll pick something else. And I feel like it will help, you know? Like, because baby steps are still steps, and t-shirts take up a lot of my percentage of my clothing, actually. You'd be surprised, but I have a lot of t-shirts. Probably because I make t-shirts. That's, you know, I have like a lot of really cute t-shirts with my art on it. Hold on. I mean, like, for example, this is cute, isn't it? We're doing t-shirts. All right, let's get this party started. There's so many like flannels, different. I have a lot of clothes. I have a lot of clothes. Okay. We're a little closer to being able to walk. I mean, like, that wasn't necessarily the goal. The goal was the t-shirts, but like, oh my god. Beheaded. Okay. For now, okay, you can go right here. Just live there. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It really will be fine. Okay. I wonder if this rack would just collapse if I put this box on it. Okay. No, I feel like I've done something here. Oh, this rack can go back further. Awesome. Look, there's even... Okay. We're making progress. Look it. I can touch the hangers. Precarious situation. T-shirts everywhere. This is why. I mean, like, every move I make, I'm knocking over something. This is like, it needs to be over. Okay. This is very chaotic. Okay, this is a lot of t-shirts. I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot of t-shirts. Okay, wait. I've just gotten real free with this camera setup here. Okay, first I have to take the time to get a surface ready because I don't want to fold on the bed. That's annoying. I want to fold at my table, but the only free table is my art table, and my art table is covered in things. So first I have to put away all my markers and stuff, and then we're gonna fold shirts. Oh wait, here's the thing. Am I filming? Yeah, okay. So here's the thing. Okay, so I want to stop at 5. It is now 4. 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. Take my word for it. And I need to stop at 5 if I'm going to have time to edit this video in order to upload it tonight, which is what I would really like to do today. So who knows, right? It's an experiment. I'm just going to see how it goes. But I have to stop at 5. That's how this works. So I'm going to set a timer. It's 4:10. I'm going to give myself 10 minutes. I'm going to set it for an hour. 61 minutes. Okay, fine. All right. So let's see what we can do in 61 minutes. I've already made a lot of really good progress in the closet. I'm very pleased with what I've done so far. Because you know what? I can walk in there. So, yay me. Not be too precious about this. This is like the one thing about this. I will get like way too perfectionist with this little thing. Everything has to be laid out perfect. And it takes forever. Cause like shirts are weird. Yeah, I'm gonna put something down. It's definitely gonna scratch my table. Now we're cooking. I might want to stand. I want to stand up. Come on, it's gonna be okay. Let it be imperfect. Oh my God. Normally I would spend like triple the amount of time, or at least double the amount of time on each shirt. I don't know. Maybe that's the reason why this is hard to maintain, because I am trying to make it perfect. And when you try to make something that you have to do over and over again perfect, for me, it makes it really hard to maintain. I think that's a theme that I'm seeing in every aspect of my life and career. I do a lot of things that I really enjoy doing, and then I become really perfectionistic about it. And especially if I get like praise for the thing, I tend to get too precious, you know? It stops me from doing stuff. It really does. It really does. I can't believe I'm doing this. So many things today that I'm doing that I wouldn't have, you know, that I didn't think I could do, if I'm being honest. Like, you can't both, for me, I just think you can't really both push yourself to try to get out of your comfort zone and have insanely high standards at the same time. Like, I just can't. I can't do that. I can't ask that of myself, though that's what's been happening. I've totally been asking that of myself. And I'm able to do like one or two things, and then I collapse. And then I have to rest for like a month. So, yeah. I'm just gonna keep trying and do my best and let things be imperfect. And I'll likely try to plan. I mean, there's nothing wrong with planning. I just have been in the place where planning too much is stopping me from actually doing the thing I'm trying to plan, you know? Because I love a plan. I love a plan. I love a list. I love a plan. I love a schedule. But sometimes they don't love me back. It's really true. And I'm allergic to gluten. I can't really digest gluten. Very sad. It's gluten-free bread, but it's not the same. I love bread. Okay. I think that's all we have time for.